Hello, today I'd like to show you how to use and set presets. Presets are often used in performance mode where you need to change a number of settings at the same time. Let's say you're playing 3 songs in a set and each song has a different instrument, key, octave, scale, etc. And with the black button on the Jamboxx, you can quickly change a set of settings, change from one preset to another very quickly. Now, one way to change a preset is to just use this drop down here that I'm showing you in the lower right portion of the screen. But first, what you'll need to do is in Setup, go to Presets, number of presets you want to have. So if you have 3 songs in your set, you probably want to use 3 presets. Then in Button, you want the default behavior for the button to be Change Preset. That way you'll be able to quickly change presets as you're playing your set. Of course, you can always use the drop down as a way to change presets even if you don't have the button enabled. So a preset is a combination of all these settings you see at the top of the screen here. So it's a combination of a number of note positions, what key you're going to be using, what octave you're going to be using, etc. And as I press the black button, I can switch from preset to preset. So I'm going to press the button now, and notice I went from the tenor sax to a different scale, blues pentatonic, and my SIP behavior is now sharp. So I have a sharp as a SIP behavior. And now when I press the black button at the bottom of the Jamboxx again, I can go to harmonica mode with a chromatic harmonica scale back to the key of C, but now 16 note positions and a scaled velocity. So as I mentioned, all these settings can be set in a given preset. Now let's say I'd rather be in the key of F, or let's say the key of G, and really I only need 8 note positions. Whenever I make a change to one of these settings, it affects whatever my current preset is, in this case preset 3. So I'm going to cycle through my preset one more time. So I'm back to preset 1 with the flute. Now I'll press the button again, and now I'm at the tenor saxophone. Notice I'm in the key of F, 10 positions, and the blues pentatonic, but this time I'll do the drop down. I'll choose preset 3, and I'm back to 8 positions with my harmonica in the key. So as I mentioned before, whenever I make a change to one of these settings, it affects that setting in that particular preset. So let's say now I choose my theremin. So I'll go back to preset 2. There's my tenor saxophone. But now when I drop into preset 3, I'm back to the theremin. So in summary, presets are a great way to quickly change the behavior of your Jamboxx, and that behavior can be all these different settings here at the top. The channel, the positions, the key, the octave, scale, chord, etc. I hope you enjoy your Jamboxx and enjoy using your presets. Thank you.